Hi guys, so I'm going to go over the trade recap for yesterday's trade. Yesterday was Monday, so during New York session we have this trade on NQ. So right here, this is that Monday candle, so we can see that it was pretty bearish. We have this daily bearish fair value gap right here getting respected, and we have this SMT right here put in, so that's my draw on liquidity there. Moving down to the 4-hour, we can see that before, so the trade was within here. You can see that before that we already went down pretty heavily because of that Nvidia thing happening yesterday, I think. So basically the NQ just tanked, and we have this H4 fair value gap right here. So my pre-market plan was just I want it to tap into this H4 and respect it and to continue going down. So that's exactly what happened. So basically we tapped into this H4 just a little bit, and we had this SMT right here with VIDS. And when we went down to the 1 hour, we can see that we have this 1 hour fair value gap here. So we went into it, respected it, and when 10 o'clock opened up, this is that 10 o'clock open right there, this line. So when 10 o'clock opened up, you can see it went up, and that's the 4-hour Po3 as well, 10 o'clock candle. We can see if we have this right here, we can see that this 6-hour candle didn't go into that fair value gap yet. So for the 10-hour candle, I expected the 10 a.m. candle, the 10 a.m. candle, I expected to go up into this, stay into it, and to go down, because overall the bias is down. So that is my PO3 and what I expect for the H4. So when it opened up, it went into it. We have opening, manipulating up into a higher time frame PD array, which is that H4 fair value gap, creating an SMT, and then going down. So all I need was for that to go into that H4, create an SMT, or sweep liquidity, which it did both. Sweep this liquidity while creating an SMT, and then have a 3-minute change in the state, which is right here. So I should have entered there, but I was actually a little bit late. So I actually entered around here with my stops just above one of these candles and just targeting this low for a 1 to 2. So that is pretty much the entry. For my NQ trades, I always like to enter off of 3-minute change in the state of deliveries. And this low as well is a 1 hour fair value gap. So that's why I also chose that low, you can see here, to take profit. So yeah, that's pretty much it. This is how I combine H4 Po3 and this whole strategy. Is still basically the same thing. We have a bias, we have a draw on liquidity, we have an entry, we have SMT, and yeah, the H4 Po3 is just an additional bias to show that we opened up and we went up, and during this period of going up is when we manipulate into a higher time frame POI. Higher time frame POI. So and it's during this range right here when we go up where you can look for shorts. So that is pretty much it for this trade recap, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye.